Hello everyone. Yay, I have an update video. It's a kind of update video. So yeah, what I got? This little body. It is a magnet that can pull 200 kilo. So if 2 pounds or 1 kilo, I can pull like 400 pounds with it. So yeah, I have modified a little bit, put some tape on it because of the edges. And yeah, basically I can pull with this rope bicycles, small scooters and shit like that. So yeah, everyone, thanks for watching, for subscribing. And yeah, this week I'm gonna upload a new video, maybe today. So yeah, I need to do some stuff, and when I have some time over, then I'm gonna search for some metal. So yeah, everyone, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Leave a like if you like this video, and I see you in the next one. Peace.